Stuck in a rut? Make 2025 your year for achieving true financial freedom. AI content creation. Use Google Veo 3 and ElevenLabs to create engaging videos. Businesses save 80% on content, creating high demand for AI-generated content. Create AI spokesperson videos or engaging website content, potentially earning $110 daily. Airbnb Turnover Management. Help hosts by expertly managing cleaning and photo shoots. Cleaners earn $51,228 annually by providing reliable and efficient cleaning services. Quick turnovers are crucial for profitability. Use Turno to streamline the scheduling process. Become a voiceover artist. Clone your voice and start to generate passive income streams. Create audiobooks or YouTube videos, offering your services on Fiverr and also Upwork. Ready? These side hustles are your ticket to true freedom. Like, subscribe, and share. Are you ready to unlock a powerful new side hustle that leverages cutting-edge technology? Today, we're diving into cinematic video creation using Google Veo 3, a revolutionary tool transforming the digital landscape. Google Veo 3, developed by Google DeepMind, is a state-of-the-art AI video generation model designed to empower filmmakers and storytellers. It transforms simple text prompts into stunning, high-quality videos, eliminating the need for complex animation skills or extensive stock footage. Veo 3 excels in understanding camera movement, lighting, and composition, producing polished and natural results from just a short text description. This makes it an incredibly lucrative opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to enter the video creation market with a significant advantage. Learning to master Google Veo 3 is accessible through various resources. Veo 3 works seamlessly with Google's AI filmmaking tool, Flow, allowing users to specify locations, shots, and styles. Online platforms like Udemy offer courses specifically designed for AI-driven video creation, covering Veo 3, Imagen, and CapCut. YouTube channels also provide numerous tutorials on using Veo 3, including how to write effective prompts and add narration to your generated videos. Google AI Studio provides direct access to Veo 3, offering a sandbox for experimentation and exploration of its powerful features. Mastering prompt engineering is crucial. Experiment with detailed descriptions of mood, lighting, movement, and narrative elements to achieve truly cinematic results. Utilize tools like Gemini to refine your ideas before generating the video, ensuring your vision is perfectly translated. Understanding basic filmmaking techniques such as composition, lighting, and camera angles will significantly enhance the quality of your Veo 3 generated videos. Consistent practice and experimentation with different prompts and settings are key to truly mastering Veo 3 and unlocking its full potential. Once you've honed your skills, finding clients is the next step. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for earning money from home. Upwork is ideal for ongoing work and long-term partnerships, offering access to vetted professionals and flexible pricing options. Fiverr, on the other hand, is perfect for quick, one-off projects with clear deliverables and transparent, preset packages. Networking is also vital. Attend events, connect with collaborators, and maintain your professional relationships to acquire new clients. Build a strong portfolio of your best video editing work to showcase your skills and attract potential clients effectively. Consider specializing in a particular niche or style of video editing to stand out from the competition and target specific client needs. Cold outreach through emails or calls can also be an effective way to offer your services to potential clients directly. While the potential is immense, some common pitfalls can hinder success. Poor communication with clients often leads to misunderstandings and dissatisfaction. Maintain clear and open dialogue to understand their needs and expectations fully. Lack of organization can lead to stress and wasted time. Develop a systematic approach to file management and project organization. Setting your rates too low undervalues your skills. Determine your worth and price your services accordingly, considering your experience and the value you bring. Poor time management can cause missed deadlines. Improve your time management skills to meet commitments effectively. Neglecting client feedback is a missed opportunity for improvement. Actively listen and apply feedback to refine your work. Always work with a contract outlining the scope of work and payment terms to protect yourself and ensure clarity. Consistency in your work, communication, and marketing efforts is paramount for long-term freelancing success. Finally, never ignore audio quality. Focus on both audio enhancements and noise reduction to ensure your edits are sonically compelling. The earning potential for cinematic video creation with Google Veo 3 is significant. Video editors on Upwork can earn $25 to $75 per hour. For YouTube videos, earnings can range from $150 to $500 per video, while corporate projects can command $500 to over $2,000. On Fiverr, gigs typically range from $25 to $300, with high-end packages reaching $500 or more. Content creators on YouTube can also earn around $3 to $5 per thousand views, adding another stream of income. Embrace Google Veo 3, master the craft, and navigate the freelance landscape with confidence. Your journey to a successful side hustle in cinematic video creation starts now. Unlock the potential of AI content creation with ElevenLabs, transforming text into high-quality, engaging audio content for a thriving business. This venture is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals seeking profitable online side hustles, offering flexibility and significant earning potential. First, grasp the fundamentals of AI and its application in content creation, familiarizing yourself with powerful tools like ElevenLabs for natural-sounding audio. Next, master prompt engineering to guide AI tools in producing nuanced and targeted content, experimenting with various tones and styles for desired results. Develop voice cloning skills by exploring ElevenLabs features, practicing with high-quality audio samples to create accurate digital vocal replicas. Enhance your editing and reviewing capabilities to refine AI-generated content, ensuring accuracy, brand alignment, and logical consistency through a multi-stage workflow. Continuously update your skills with the latest AI advancements and best practices in content creation to stay competitive and innovative. To work from home effectively, designate a quiet workspace with good acoustics, ideal for recording voice samples and editing audio. Utilize freelance platforms like Upwork and Guru to find AI content creation jobs, showcasing your skills and experience through a professional profile. Offer a diverse range of services, including voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and e-learning modules to attract a broader client base. Manage projects efficiently using specialized tools to organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly with your clients. Implement robust security measures to protect client data and maintain confidentiality, building trust and professionalism in your services. Platforms like Upwork connect businesses with AI content creators, offering diverse job opportunities. Create a detailed profile and submit tailored proposals. Guru provides another excellent platform for hiring freelance AI content creators. Define your payment terms and describe your work clearly. CloudPeep specializes in connecting businesses with freelancers in marketing and content creation, using AI matching to find suitable projects. FlexJobs also leverages AI to match freelancers and remote workers with job opportunities, expanding your reach for potential clients. Earnings vary widely based on skill and experience. Entry-level creators can expect $5 to $20 per hour for basic tasks. Mid-level professionals with strong portfolios can earn $20 to $50 per hour handling complex projects and voice cloning. Expert-level creators with specialized skills and a proven track record can command $50 to $100+ per hour for high-end services. Many fail due to inadequate prompting skills, leading to uninspired AI-generated content. Improve by creating detailed prompt templates. Lack of differentiation, over-reliance on AI, can result in generic content. Infuse proprietary insights and unique experiences. Overlooking editing and review can lead to inaccuracies. Implement a comprehensive process to verify factual accuracy and brand alignment. Poor data quality, using outdated or biased training data, produces flawed AI outputs. Ensure data is accurate and relevant. Absence of originality and creativity makes AI content lack fresh ideas, add human creativity and emotional intelligence. Neglecting ethical considerations like user consent and privacy can erode trust, adhere to ethical standards, and ensure authenticity. Misalignment between technical teams and business goals causes projects to fall short. Ensure clear strategy and purpose. Ignoring infrastructure requirements limits advanced AI models. Ensure you have the necessary resources and technology. Define clear goals for your content, target audience, and specific metrics for success to guide your efforts effectively. Select the right AI tools and platforms that align with your content strategy, considering generation, data analysis, and personalization. Collect and analyze data from website analytics and social media engagement to gain actionable insights and understand your audience. Create high-quality content quickly using AI, but apply human expertise to refine and optimize it for relevance and engagement. Continuously monitor your content's performance, making adjustments to keyword targeting and distribution channels to maximize SEO efforts. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your best AI content creation work, including a variety of projects to demonstrate versatility. Network and collaborate with other AI content creators and industry professionals to share knowledge and unlock new opportunities. Stay compliant with platform guidelines and disclose the use of AI in your content to maintain transparency and avoid penalties. By following these actionable steps, you can build a thriving AI content creation business with ElevenLabs, delivering valuable and engaging audio content to a wide range of clients. Are you actively searching for a flexible side hustle that not only fits into your schedule, but also has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars per month? This opportunity could be exactly what you have been looking for to boost your income and gain financial independence. Dive into the highly lucrative world of Airbnb turnover and staging services, a specialized business that offers significant income potential for those willing to provide meticulous care and attention to detail. This niche market is growing rapidly, presenting a prime opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. This essential service extends far beyond just basic cleaning. It encompasses a comprehensive reset for each property, ensuring it is perfectly prepared and welcoming for every new guest. It's about creating an experience, not just tidying up. The process involves thorough deep cleaning, washing, and meticulously replacing all linens, diligently restocking essential supplies, and expertly staging the property to ensure it looks absolutely perfect and inviting for the next arrival. Every detail, from spotless surfaces to perfectly fluffed pillows, contributes to a 5-star guest experience. To excel in this field, essential skills include a high level of cleaning proficiency, an exceptionally keen eye for detail, basic photography skills to showcase your work, and outstanding customer service to build lasting client relationships. These combined abilities ensure a seamless and professional service delivery. Many of these crucial skills are entirely self-taught, with a wealth of readily available resources such as comprehensive YouTube tutorials and informative online articles designed to guide you every step of the way. You can learn everything from advanced cleaning techniques to effective staging strategies at your own pace. You can effectively find clients by leveraging popular platforms such as TaskRabbit and Thumbtack, which connect service providers with those in need. Alternatively, you can directly contact local Airbnb hosts in your area, offering your specialized services to help them maintain their properties and enhance guest satisfaction. Managing your business remotely is also a highly viable and attractive option, providing significant flexibility and unparalleled convenience. This allows you to oversee operations, communicate with clients, and manage your team from virtually anywhere, adapting to your lifestyle and schedule. Earnings in this field can vary significantly, ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, directly depending on your client volume, the scope of services you offer, and the efficiency of your operations. Your income potential grows as your business expands and your reputation strengthens. Established cleaners utilizing platforms like Turno have reported impressive monthly incomes, often ranging from $5,000 to $12,000, showcasing the substantial financial rewards possible in this industry. These figures highlight the potential for a very profitable venture when managed effectively. However, common pitfalls that can hinder success include a lack of professionalism in service delivery, poor time management leading to missed deadlines, and inconsistent quality across different jobs. These issues can quickly erode client trust and negatively impact your business reputation. Failing to treat this venture with the seriousness of a legitimate business can inevitably lead to negative reviews, a damaged reputation, and ultimately, the failure of your enterprise. Every interaction and every service provided must reflect a commitment to excellence and professionalism. To ensure success, it is crucial to create a professional brand identity, establish a strong online presence, and develop a mobile-optimized website that clearly showcases your services and contact information. A polished online image is essential for attracting and retaining clients in today's digital landscape. Build a compelling portfolio by diligently collecting high-quality before and after photos of the properties you service, effectively demonstrating the superior quality and transformative impact of your work. This visual evidence is a powerful tool for building trust and attracting new clients. Offer a variety of tiered service packages designed to meet the diverse needs and budgets of your clients, ranging from basic cleaning services to comprehensive full staging options. This flexibility allows you to cater to a broader market and maximize your earning potential. Actively gather positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied clients to significantly enhance your credibility and attract new business through word of mouth and online reputation. Strong positive feedback is invaluable for growth and establishing trust within the community. Network strategically with local property managers and real estate agents to expand your client base and gain valuable referrals, as these professionals often require reliable turnover and staging services for their properties. Building these relationships can open doors to consistent work. This side hustle offers unparalleled flexibility and significant income potential, making success highly achievable for those who implement the right strategy and maintain a commitment to quality. It's an opportunity to build a thriving business on your own terms. By diligently following these outlined steps and continuously striving for excellence in every aspect of your service, you can successfully build a profitable and highly regarded Airbnb turnover and staging business. Your dedication will pave the way for lasting success and financial independence. Hey Cypher Cash community, thanks for tuning in. We dove into side hustles to boost your income. First, we explored Google Veo 3. Turn text prompts into cinematic videos with AI. Create captivating visuals effortlessly, transforming ideas into professional-grade content. Next, build an AI content creation business using ElevenLabs. Transform text into lifelike speech and create engaging audio content without voice actors. Lastly, maximize profits with Airbnb through efficient host turnovers and staging. Spotless cleaning to strategic staging creates a memorable guest experience that drives repeat bookings. If you found these side hustles inspiring, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making ideas, and hit the bell to never miss an update. Stay tuned for our next video. Keep grinding, Cypher Cash community.